Hey guys, this is the second day of testing the index reverse cluster system, which analyzes not currency pairs, but the strength of the currencies that make up those pairs. If you haven't watched my previous video, let me briefly explain. After the indicator is placed on the price chart, it searches, or rather, it accesses the market order book. Right here, where all the assets are located on our platform. And for example, if I set this indicator on an asset, say the franc against the Japanese yen, the indicator goes into the market order book, finds all the currency pairs that include the franc, like USD against the franc, Canadian dollar against the franc, franc against the yen, euro against the franc. And for all these currency pairs, it determines the current strength of the Swiss franc. That is, it creates an index for this currency pair and plots it on the price chart. Then in the same way, it checks the strength of the Japanese yen and then looks at how these two indices interact with each other. And when they cross each other, one index becomes weaker against the other index and vice versa. The other index becomes stronger against the first index. And at the moments of such changes, a signal appears. And this indicates that, for example, in this case, the franc has become stronger than the Japanese yen and the price has surged upward. That's how signals are generated, trades are closed, and over the past day, just to show you how cool this is, this system gave me 1, 2, 3, 6 signals, all of which closed with a profit. And so I earned $22 in a couple of days using this system with a micro lot of 0.01. Now, moving on to discuss the specific trading operations. You see, this was an incredibly beautiful trade, and there was another very nice trade on the euro against the USD, which I unfortunately decided to close far too early because I was getting ready to go to bed and thought I should definitely lock in the profit on this trade. Well, looking back, I was being quite silly, to put it bluntly, because you really need to have complete confidence and trust in what you're doing at all times. Now I will trust it. If I hadn't closed that trade, instead of closing at this level, I would have exited the market here. So probably it would have been 2.5 times better. Well, it happens. But overall, this system shows this kind of result. One downside, yesterday I made a sell trade based on the signal from this indicator, and I mixed up the trade lot size, which ended up being 3 times bigger than all the others, even 5 times bigger. Because right now, my result for all open trades looks like this. And I accidentally opened a very large lot on the euro against the Australian dollar, well, compared to the others. Here it's 0.01 and here 0.05, twice as much. And I'm worried that this trade might throw off the balance of my whole portfolio, all my previous results. I had to average out this morning so that these 2 trades would close faster. I won't wait for this one with the larger volume to close, whether it's in profit or loss. That wouldn't be right. I just didn't manage to earn enough with the micro lot to cover the possible loss on this trade. Well, that's how it is. Right now, I'm getting my bearings, and I hope that in the future, things will go without any incidents, without any operator errors, in other words, without my mistakes, and that all trades will be opened and closed strictly according to the signals. You see, I also, so to speak, suffer from the same problems as other traders. I intervene and close trades manually. What happened here? I closed the EUR/USD trade prematurely, so I earned 2 times less than I could have, maybe even 3 times less. And with one trade, first of all, I opened the wrong trading lot size, and secondly, I averaged down, which in principle, I shouldn't have done either. Well, basically, I forced myself to trade profitably. And most importantly, I forced myself to trade correctly according to the system's signals without violating the signals of this system. That's all for now, guys. I'll be checking in every day or every other day to show how the testing of this system is progressing and what it's capable of. See you soon.